Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a Haulmark we have in stock. This one's a 2019, again, Haulmark 8.5/20 plus V. So this trailer is going to measure 8.5/22 in total length. It's in a beautiful silver smooth skin exterior, so you have no screws or rivets on the outside. Heavy duty 6-inch frame, and you guys can see it is on an extended triple tube tongue as well, giving you guys a better turning radius with extending that tongue out. You do have the extra tall diamond plate rock guard on the front. Side door does have the RV lock, so you guys will have a lock, a latch, and a set of keys with that. 250-200-pound axles, brakes on all fours. You also have radial tires with this unit as well. Side vents, this is also a transport model, so this is one of their upgraded lines. This is not an entry-level trailer from Haulmark. It does come with a 3-year factory warranty, and then it also has a rear ramp door, spring assist close, and a transition flap at the end. Plus you have a dovetail the very back as well. You guys can see that drops down about 3 more additional inches. 7-foot interior height with this unit, and then with this dovetail it is going to give us 6'9" at the rear door, so great for razors, UTVs, side-by-sides. This is also a car hauler. You have 4 D-rings in the floor, 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front, 1-piece aluminum roof, 2 overhead LED lights, and then this also has side vents in it, which is nice. You've got one back here, another one in that top left corner. This will allow the trailer to naturally vent, which is great if you guys are carrying anything in here with fuel. Also, we have upgraded walls and floor system in here. This is DryMax. That's this amazing product right here. This does not absorb the water or moisture. It is a water resistant product, so great if you guys are worried about pulling in wet vehicles, razors, that sort of thing. You don't have to worry about this wood floor warping and shrinking on you. And this is also on the underneath side of the trailer as well, so it's going to add longevity to just the overall use of this trailer, because you've got this great upgraded floor system and wall system. Interior step coming in and out of the side door. There's the back side of the RV lock right there. Toggle switches for your 2 overhead LED lights, and there's those 2 more additional D-rings. Again, we've got 22 feet of length from the tip of the V to the back. Give us a call. We'd love to earn your business if you're in the market for a new trailer. 303-688-8485. We're located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. We offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state, and we're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com.